So guys, welcome back to my channel AG the Maker. If you want to make this sound reactability, watch this full video. So this is the circuit we are going to talk about in our whole video, and this is made by using an operational amplifier LM358, which has got two operational amplifier in it, and it is used to make our sound reactive LED. So this is the diagram of the pin configuration of our operational amplifier LM258 or 358. It serves the same purpose. So as you can see from here that it has got two operational amplifier in it. So guys, as you can see, this is our breadboard and this is our condenser mic, which we use it in our circuit, and the yellow wire I have connected to the positive part of the condenser mic, and the pink wire I have connected to the negative point of the condenser mic. So accordingly I will connect it to the breadboard. Now you can see I have already connected, and I will connect the yellow wire to the positive line using a resistor. Yes, and now I will connect the same point to a non-polar capacitor. Now this is the circuit, this is the IC we are talking about, or the operational amplifier, and we will connect the second pin to the pin of the capacitor. Now I will connect and I will join the first pin to the now let me just do it. Okay, I will join the first pin to a random point in the breadboard. Now I will join another non-polar capacitor in the breadboard accordingly to the circuit which I have already shown it to you guys. You can check it out from there. So I have joined number 1 pin to the one pin of the non-polar capacitor, and another pin of the non-polar capacitor I have connected to the negative line using a resistor. And as you can see, now I have connected the pin number 7 or 7 pin to the random point in the breadboard where I will take up the output, and I have here joined number 4 pin or pin number 4 to the negative line of the breadboard. So here I have to join pin number 1 and pin number 2 using a resistor, which I have already discussed in the circuit I have provided below. And now we need a voltage divider. So I have used two kind of same resistor with the same value as mentioned in my drawing or diagram. We have used a voltage divider here. The same type of resistor we have used, one connected to the positive pin and one connected to the negative line. So as you can see, I have connected. Yes, I have successfully joined the voltage divider here to the circuit. So this is the condenser mic which I have already discussed previously. So I have almost done with joining the different components to our breadboard, and almost in the verge of finishing the circuit. So this is what it looks like. And now what I will do, I will join the 8th pin or pin number 8 to the I will connect it, pin number 8 or 8th pin to the positive line of the breadboard. So here I am done with it. Now here I have to connect a resistor from the 7th pin to the 6th pin. Now we need to connect another resistor from the 6th pin to the negative line of the breadboard. The last connection which we will be requiring to complete our circuit is connecting the 5th pin or pin number 5 to one pin of the non-polar capacitor. So as you can see, from the 7th pin we have taken out an yellow wire from the output. This is the output pin. We will receive the output from this pin. So I will connect 3 resistor for 3 LEDs, which I will join it in the output pin. So as you can see, I have connected 3 resistor from the output pin, and now we will take 3 LEDs and join it, and yahoo, we are way on completing this circuit. So we have connected 2 LEDs, one more to go. And here we have joined the LED 2. So as you can see, this is the whole circuit, and this is the part of the circuit, and this is the battery terminal from where we will see, and this is the power indicating light. See, now it's time to check the circuit, guys.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Thank you guys for watching the full video, and please subscribe my channel, guys, and hit the like button, and you can follow me on Instagram, guys, link in description.